Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michaela if you're new here. So if you want clear skin in just 2 weeks, keep watching this video. So during this coronavirus time, it's very stressful, and I know a lot of people are going to food to self-medicate. I know for sure that I've been eating a lot of fast food, you know, cookies, Oreos. Like I'm going to my comfort foods because right now it's just a lot of changes, and I just need something to kind of just mend all the changes that's going on, the stress I'm going through. I mean, obviously it tastes great and it's fun in the moment, but it really is affecting my skin. As you can see, I've got these raised white bumps all over my forehead. They're really hard to touch, and it just honestly made me really uncomfortable. It just got worse and worse as I started to eat poorly, and I just really needed to make a change. So in the last 2 weeks, I made a few changes that really helped my skin and cleared up almost completely right now. Let me show you. As you can see, my skin has flattened, my pore size has gotten smaller, and you really can't see anything anymore. So I've got some tips and tricks that you can help get your skin cleared in just 2 weeks. Step 1. What you put inside your body is just as important as what you put outside your body. So I changed my diet. Diet is probably the most important thing that you want to worry about when it comes to skin. I think this honestly goes for any diet or just trying to eat better, and in general is always going to be what you eat. So the foods that I limited or just took out of my diet was dairy, high fats, carbohydrates, and sugars. So these items increase your blood sugar and insulin, which actually produces hormones that causes a lot of oils on your skin. And it can also, these hormones can also cause inflammation as well, which can cause acne, and that's not what we want here. So either I limited these foods or I just took them out of my diet just so I can get my skin cleared again. And also it just makes me feel better on the inside. To just, I don't know, have a cleaner bowel, and it made me feel better on the inside and the outside. Like I said, I was eating a lot of fast foods, which are high in fats, carbohydrates, and I was also eating a lot of Oreos, which are tons of sugars, and they just completely ruined not ruined it, but they completely just polluted my skin pretty much. My bumps immediately started coming back, and your girl was not happy. What you want to eat instead are foods that are high in low glycemic and have low inflammation, which again is going to not produce those hormones that are going to cause oil on your skin and cause inflammation. Especially like whole grains like oatmeal or whole wheat toast. Fruits and vegetables like blueberries, spinach. These are high antioxidants, which are great for your skin. For those that don't know what antioxidants are, they are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. They are sometimes called free radical scavengers. The sources of antioxidants can be natural or artificial, so they're pretty important, so get them in your diet. Okay. Use a gentle cleaning cleanser. I use Cetaphil gentle cleaning cleanser. It's great for all skin types. Again, just use what's going to be best for you. But I also added exfoliating my skin 2 to 3 times a week. So exfoliating is really, really important, and it can either make or break your skin, and I'll tell you why. It's really good for your skin because it will take off all that dead skin and that debris that clogs up your pores you don't want to do. But if you do too much exfoliating, it can actually cause more acne. So if you do it more than 2 to 3 times a week, you're gonna actually strip away all that healthy oil that you need on your skin and just cause more acne, and that's just not what we want here, okay? Okay, so now my final step, I use a acne spot treatment. I use the salicylic acne spot treatment. You can get this at any drugstore, CVS, Walmart, Target. And there are actually a lot of different acne spot treatments that you use. You can use salicylic acid, or you can use benzoyl peroxide. And I'm going to tell you some pros and cons of both of them. So salicylic acid, the pros are it dissolves the dirt that clogs your pores, it minimizes your pores, it soothes skins, and reduces inflammation. The cons though is that it can take up to 4 weeks to clear your skin. But if you want something a little bit fast acting, you can use benzoyl peroxide. So some pros for benzoyl peroxide: it kills bacteria on your skin, and it takes up to only a week for it to clear up your acne. Some cons though, it can cause dryness, peeling, irritation, inflammation, and those are all things that you really don't want. Because it is a stronger product, it does only take up to a week. It has other side effects as well. So personally, I prefer salicylic acid because it's just, honestly, I just didn't have a good time with benzoyl peroxide because of all those peeling and dryness. So I personally didn't mind waiting a little longer to get my skin cleared. And honestly, using this Acne Spot treatment twice a day for 2 weeks now, my skin, it was flatter and you could barely see the spots. And as I showed you before, like, it's barely there, and you don't even notice that I had any spots there anymore. So it worked for me. Do what's gonna work for you. Benzoyl peroxide is still a great product to use. Just again, use your own judgment and test out what's gonna be best for you. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I took a lot of tips and tricks from this video. Like I said before, use your best judgment, do your research, talk to a professional. Like, that's the best thing you could always do. And honestly, just test out some products. Like, I tested a lot of products until I found what was best for me. And just figure out what's gonna be best for you and what diet's gonna be best for you, because everyone's gonna be different. So what worked for me may not work for you. So don't get upset if it doesn't work for you. Something out there will work, and it will help you clear your skin, because it's been rough in this quarantine time. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope that this video will lift some of your spirits if you're dealing with all this acne on your forehead like me. Oh, maybe I shouldn't touch my forehead. Whatever, okay, shouldn't do that. But so I hope this video gave you guys some confidence that you can clear your skin in just a few weeks. And comment down below with some products or some tips that you guys do to clear your skin, because we're all trying to help each other out here and making us look even more fabulous, right? I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time.